Alright, we out again. Surpass RC 6S 150 amp ESC. This X car 3665 4500 kV motor, and two of these Yum power batteries, 4500 milliamp hour. If this is a good run, I will take that apart more. Finally got the metal gears in from the Blackfoot. So this is geared for the slow run, so 5216. Theoretical top speed 122 miles an hour. We'll see if we get anywhere near that. So start, stop, read, and start. Put this disaster together. What was that? If this crashes today, I'm going to need a shop vac to get it back. Okay, that is recording. Make sure you guys are recording. Yep. Get this thing tracking straight. Not too bad. Ooh. Of course, the receiver is dying on me. Been having issues with spinning out when it breaks. Too much braking, I guess. A pretty good run, though. Nowhere near full beans. Connected. Already at 71. Oh, it looks like we're not going to have many runs with this remote. She's dying. Nice and gentle. Bring her around. Barely see the thing. We're alive. Doesn't help that I'm a bad driver. That was a touch of full throttle. Didn't look that fast though. Come here. Motor's not even that hot. I wonder the batteries are just sagging. Yeah. Make sure you guys can see that clean 81. I'm gonna try one more. Oh, wait. Screenshot that. I wonder if maybe I just have too much drag from the fronts. Feels stable though. Nah, I couldn't get into it that fast that time. I'll try again. I'm using that runoff to my advantage because the brakes do not work on this. My luck, a car's gonna show up and run the thing over. Ooh! Oh, yeah. Oh. That's not a good sign. All right. Got this. A little chewed up. Take this off the hat so you guys can see better. These are the Proline 7th scale NASCAR tires, if anybody was wondering. Stock shocks. We lost the end of that one. That's alright. Custom drive shafts. This one's sheared, which I'm almost positive is what made this crash. I got a single body clip left. And stuck. Bastard. One moment. Alright, let's just get enough like that. Okay. I just unscrewed the post. Here's the carnage. Didn't lose anything. Shocks are actually still intact. Blew up the steering, no servo saver, so blew up the steering horn. But all the pieces are here, didn't lose the drive cups. Gearbox sounds good. Batteries in place. These are running two of these. 4560C 3S in series, so 6S total. You can actually see the motor now. Put the battery back in. The tires are rubbing on it. Oh. X Team, I think it is. 3665 4500 kV. And the Surpass RC 150 amp ESC. This is just a cheapy 25 kilogram servo. I just can't believe it didn't break. Alright, well, that's going to be my submission for 81 mile an hour. Hope it's okay I show the car in pieces, but we'll rebuild and try again.